Do you have one of these, but you need more paper? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of paper refills for this adorable little thermal printer. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. These are the little cartridges that go inside of this that make it so you can print even more stickers. This particular one comes with a set of 3. You're going to be able to print quite a few stickers with these rolls. They're definitely cool. So on the box, it's going to give you all of the information about these thermal labels, and they call them labels because, again, they're like stickers. You can stick them on things. The size of them, there's 3 rolls in here, how long each roll is. So each one of these rolls is 10.5 feet long. That's going to get you a lot of stickers. And of course, the color is white, and it is continuous paper, meaning it's on a roll and it's going to continuously come out. So you can print short little things, you can print long stickers, whatever you would like to print. There's definitely enough paper to be able to print quite a few cool things. And just to show you that these are the refills for this, I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. You can see this is the one that we printed on, and you will see on the inside here, there's a little, see how that matches that? See how this side has a line in the middle of it? If you look on the other side of this printer, there's a line in the middle of it. So it's just going to slide right into place. And then, of course, take that off, close it, and you'll be able to print. So if you've been looking for some great replacement printer paper for your thermal printer to print your thermal labels, we recommend this.